had such a crazy morning. There's just so much. How are people doing life? There's just so much happening. बहुत बड़ी हो रही हूँ. How are people doing life? Anyway, I love my car so much because around every spontaneous decision, it's this car. And she's almost old now, but I love her. And I have scratched her so many times. And I learned how to drive in this car. And she's just so special. She's a Honda Civic. And she is sexy. I feel so many feelings. Let's just put it that way. And I'm just so happy that I'm back on YouTube. I have the mental capacity to be recording again. Oh, do you want to see? I always keep these in my car. They are snack balls, so peanut butter and cacao, vegan, gluten-free, really yummy. And no, I'm not gonna have one right now because I'm gonna go and get a salad. And yes, that's the plan. I also feel just this deep desire to मुझे कुछ तो करना है. You know what I love about New Zealand? लोग इतने अच्छे हैं यहाँ पे कि I'm at a foot crossing. A footpath, English. And लोग इतने अच्छे हैं यहाँ पे कि कोई जल्दी में ही नहीं है. सब लोग नहीं नहीं आप जाओ, नहीं प्लीज आप जाओ, नहीं आप जाओ. It's like thank you. And it's like it makes you want to be a good person and like just someone who's kind. And yeah, I love that about New Zealand. Even right now, I'm just like, you know what, koi jaldi nahi hai yaar. Hi. Okay. Anyway. Yes. I love that about being in this country. I love the calm. It reminds me of Sayadri, like the sporting school that I went to. And that is such a big part of who I am. But then I'm also from Mumbai. And I love the city. So I really miss that. I wish I could live my life 50-50. That would be a really cool goal to work towards. Anyway, I got food and I got some smoothies. I don't know why I'm talking like this today. It just happens. Sometimes it just happens. I'm actually really hyped because I'm doing so many scary things. This is my anxiety or something like that, I guess, taking over in some way. So I got some yummy food. I'm gonna get back home, remove makeup, get comfy, wear pajamas. I wanted to talk about the grass is really always greener. When I live here, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं इंडिया में होती तो ज़्यादा मज़ा होता लाइफ में. And when I'm in India, I'm like नहीं लाइफ यहाँ पे ज़्यादा अच्छी है. So मतलब कहाँ पे लाइफ वही अच्छी है जहाँ पे तुम You really can't translate that. The grass is greener where you water it, is what I'm trying to say. ऐसा लगता है यार इधर तो दोस्त भी इजीली बनते नहीं है. सब लोग इतने रिजर्व्ड है. इतना टाइम लगता है कि कल्चर में फिट इन होने में. एंड फिर भी लगता है कि साला अभी भी मैं फिट इन हुई नहीं हूँ. एंड it just gets you like thinking. But at the same time, I know that no one feels like they fit in. It's not even about if you're in the country that you're born in. It's like you just never feel like you fit in anywhere because we're all such different species. Species? I don't know how to say that word. We're all such different humans. And at the same time, we're all the same because everyone feels like this. So, जितनी भी याद आती है मुझे इंडिया की दोस्तों की फैक्ट ये है कि लाइफ like you win some, you lose some, right? And I think there are a lot of people in a similar boat like me who have been like lucky to experience life outside of the city they're born in, and I've been able to travel, and I know it's such a privilege to be able to do that. And I never thought that will ever happen for me. I didn't even know कि मेरे स्कूल के बाहर दुनिया भी थी. Like when you're young, you think this is it. This is your life. And then you grow up and you're like, there's another country outside of India? What? And yes, we're so simple as children, aren't we? And life is never going to feel like you always compare yourself. I think being off social media for the last month has been so healing for me. I don't know how I don't know how you all are doing it. How are you on social media looking at everyone's Instagram stories daily and not freaking out about not having enough friends or doing enough in life or traveling enough? भाई इतना नॉर्मल नहीं है इतना सब कुछ करना एक साथ लाइफ में और मैं अपने आप को इतना प्रेशराइज कर रही हूँ ये भी करना है वो भी करना है प्रोटीन खाना है जिम जाना है पेट्स करने हैं एब्स चाहिए कुछ भी अब यार ये आ किधर से रहा है ये खुद ही तो नहीं चाहिए मुझे ये सब एक हेल्दी जीनी है जिंदगी पर मरना नहीं है मुझे जीते जीते got really dark for a second. I really want to go to a concert. I really, really want to go to a concert. The last one I went to was Dua Lipa. Iconic. Next, I don't have any concerts booked. No wonder I'm tripping. Where do I go next? I actually don't know. I really wanted to go to K-Tronada, but I missed it. My music taste is evolving so much. I really love house music. Always have. I've been a Skrillex girl when I was a teenager. Love that kind of like, but also with lyrics. Because, you know, they see the Who. I need to be able to sing the lyrics. Also, I'm realizing this vlog is going to be so niche because it's only for people who are English people, English speaking people. And if you only speak English and you clicked on, thanks. You really do love me, huh? And I love you. And I went for this talk. Robin Williams? No, I don't think. Yeah, Robin Banks, I think his name was. And someone invited me. It was a whole thing. I went for it. And he was such a enthusiastic and positive person, and it really like being at that talk really reminded me of how important it is to not only see the glass half full but see the glass overfull and like overflowing. भाई जिंदगी बहुत टफ रहती है and if you don't see life like that, ये सब पता था जो भी मैंने सुना था, but it still reminded me that wow, I really need to realign and look at the world like I'm the luckiest girl in the world. Everything is happening for the best reason ever. Life is, he said, every time someone asks you, how are you, say, I'm outstanding. And I was like, damn, I'm outstanding. And so since then, every time someone asks me that, I'm like, how are you? I'm like, I'm outstanding. And since then, I feel like मैं थक गई हूँ. कुछ भी बदला नहीं है life के circumstance and all of that. But at the same time, I walk around and I'm like hard. So much love. Because everyone needs a little love in life. And on the days when my cup is overflowing, which you choose when it's overflowing, I'm like, I love you and I've never met you, but I wish you the best life. Because why not? Everyone's freaking out. कुछ हो नहीं रहा अच्छा किसके लिए भी, सबकी बज रही है life में, and we might as well spread joy. I did not need a speaker, and I did not need a microphone for this video podcast. Should I start a podcast? Maybe this can be the first episode of my podcast. Is the grass greener where you are or not? Da, 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 da. Okay, maybe we can work on the name. For starting a podcast, would you listen? And does it have to be a video podcast as well? You know what? कर लेते हैं यार. ये भी तो करना ही है कभी ना कभी. Interesting तो लगता है मुझे तो सब ही creative ऐसी चीजें बहुत पसंद है. Should be a हिंदी podcast? नहीं, अभी हिंदी थोड़ा ज्यादा ही हो रहा है, मतलब इंग्लिश टाइप ही होना पड़ेगा. ओके ठीक है, अभी बहुत बातें कर लिए. कितना सुनोगे मेरी बातें? Thanks for being with me on this journey because I appreciate you and I hope you have the best life ever. And life perfect है actually. And I know मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरी life बहुत privileged है, बहुत सारी compare करेंगे हम लोग तो मतलब someone's also be more privileged than another person and everyone has their traumas, all of that, right? But you just have to be like you have to be like so blinded by every seeing the good in life that you're like time ही नहीं मेरे पास टेंशन लेने का, time ही नहीं है मेरे पास sad होने का. मैं खुद ही कोई स्पीच दे रही हूँ शायद. Okay, bye.